Hare Krishna, welcome. Let us join the sloka recitation, 13th chapter, 33rd sloka.
यथा सर्वगतं सौक्ष्म्याद् आकाशं नोपलिप्यते सर्वत्रावस्थितो देहे तथात्मानोपलिप्यते.
Now, let us together enjoy the explanation by Lord Krishna of the body, the field, and the knower of the field. Krishna says the sky, due to its subtle nature, does not mix with anything, although it is all pervading. Similarly, the soul, situated in Brahman vision, does not mix with the body, though it is situated inside that body. If you see the last point first, it applies to the super soul because he is in any number of types of bodies. This 84 lakh species into each quantity, each having a quantity, each species having a quantity of that. Man means humans, birds, horses, dogs, butterflies. So each one of that 84 lakh species into that many number in that species. He is in such a variety of bodies as super soul. So will he not get contaminated? No. That is the greatness of Krishna. Nothing affects him. He may be inside, but it doesn't affect him. Same way, so that is the last point I said first. The sky does not mix with anything because it's a subtle thing. It's not a solid thing. Suppose there is a big pillar in the reaching up to the sky. Some bird may go and hit it. No, it is not. It's not a material object there in the height. No. It has a appearance or it has an existence which is subtle and nothing to go. It's not a material thing to go and meet that, touch it. It does not mix with anything. Although it is all pervading. It is there everywhere. Similarly, the soul situated in Brahman vision does not mix up with anybody, with the body, which is, though it is situated inside that body. The sky is an amazing thing. It's a vast space. It is space and space and space only, nothing else. In fact, it's like a skin of an onion. If you go into it layer after layer and throw it up, throw it down, it will end up at nothing. Some say it is only space there is no sky. That means there is nothing called sky. It will be if it is a subtle nature item, then you can't fix it. If it is the other way, if it is having a shape and figure and then living like a pillar, what we told earlier, then there is some attachment to something, mixing with something. There is nothing. So, if it is nothing, then the doubt comes how it sustains everything. Planets, stars, universes. So, that is what Krishna has told in this. It's like the soul is like that sky which does not mix. Same way, he is comparing the body and the soul don't touch each other, however the soul may be. It does not mix and will not mix. So for mixing there is a joke. Once somebody came to court, that Kabali, judge was accusing him, it seems you are adulterating, you are mixing chicken meat and horse meat. He was appearing to be afraid, that Kabali. He said, no, Judge Sahab, somebody is telling wrongly. I am only, they are exaggerating. I am only doing 50-50, Sahab. Judge could not understand. What is 50-50? He says, one chicken to one horse. So, can you call it 50-50? What is the size of horse or the size of chicken? He mixes 1 to 1. There is more of horse there than the chicken. Hare Krishna.